The pandemic has exacerbated the need for better hygiene compliance, more optimal patient care, and tighter security. And Lenovo and meldCX are here to help you with that. Using meldCX's Vienna platform, powered by Lenovo, deliver powerful edge AI healthcare solutions that connect spaces and break down healthcare silos. Proactively manage safety and cleaning compliance, employ tighter security, and achieve service excellence. Healthcare providers can provide tighter security by tracking entrances and exits, anonymously detecting aggressive behavior and patients requiring help, measuring activity throughout rooms and facilities, and tracking surface touch for effective cleaning. Create the ultimate safe space and provide better, more face-to-face quality care for patients with meldCX's Vienna Vision Analytics solutions, powered by Lenovo Edge devices. For more information, contact Crosswave at lenovo.com.